Namaste everybody, how are you doing? This is Shifali and I hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves, going out only if it is necessary, wearing masks, using sanitizer at all times. Today I have got you Sebamed Cleansing Bar. So while most of us already know about this product, many of us are there who still do not know its wonderful benefits. So this magical bar is so good and is beneficial for both children as well as adults. So this has a perfect balance of pH 5.5, which is ideal for healthy skin. This is good for all skin types. This safeguards the skin with vitamins and moisturizing amino acids. So let me tell you, this is dermatologically tested also. The primary reason to bring this before you is that it really has helped me to elevate my acne issue. So there are some days in the month when I really feel very irritated and there are rashes on my skin and a lot of acne, and that time is my menstruation time. So I have always been looking for a product that works efficiently on my acne, and my dermatologist advised me Sebamed. So this is very cost effective and works on the rashes, any boils you might have, and it is curable for personal hygiene as well. This works perfectly well when you combine the soap with the Sebamed cream. This is extra soft moisturizing cream. This also has a perfect pH balance of 5.5. Let me tell you, this video is not at all sponsored. I'm telling you everything from my own experience. So I'll not delve into the benefits of this moisturizing cream because I have already reviewed it before. You would be wondering that all those Sebamed products are mostly prescribed for children, but I am promoting them for adults also. I'm not saying this does not work on children. This works perfectly on them. In fact, I have used this on my child. However, this works wonderfully well on adults also. In fact, I'm going to share some pictures with you, before after pictures with you, really, to show how it helped me to really reduce my pimples. And some spots are already there. As you can see, I have put a lot of makeup right now, but still the spots are visible. Nevertheless, the condition is much better now, as the pimples were looking really bad. I'm also going to share some of the pictures of my child. She had a lot of rashes and some of the boils also on her hands and legs, and she would keep on scratching all the time. So I made her bathe with this Sebamed soap, which is truly miraculous. We have seen a lot of difference on her body, and she does not scratch any longer, which is definitely miraculous, because we have used Candid B, we have used Kiko and whatnot. There's Cetaphil also, but nothing helped. This was the only soap and cream which worked for her. The best part is that 100 grams bar like this would go a long way, whereas most of other soaps would finish off so easily within days, just like that. So you can see this soap we have been using since 5 days now, but it's not finished off yet. It smells so good also. So the sellers of Sebamed claim it to be anti-aging also. This has a lot of antioxidants, works on your brightening. Of course, when you are acne free and you do not have any blemishes on your face, then of course it would brighten up your face. Says it works as an emollient. Emollient is an agent which hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin deeply. So it conditions your skin, hydrates it and protects it from free radicals. While this product does not have any parabens and sulfate free, however, this product does contain alcohol, silicones and paraffin. As we already know, some of the chemicals have to be used in a skincare product to increase its shelf life and to definitely keep it away from any fungus, etc. If we look at its safety breakdown, it says that it does not have any risk. In fact, it is at low risk. So it is extremely safe to use, and it does not cause any irritation. It does not clog any pores also, but still you can do a patch test but I haven't come across anybody who says that they have felt irritation by using Sebamed cream or soap for that matter. This is my opinion. Your opinion may or may not differ, as I always say in my videos. So I do have my set of Sebamed soaps and cream, and I definitely like this product. That is why I'm sharing it with you, and it has really worked well for me and my child. Talking about its price, 100 grams bar like this would cost you somewhere around 99 bucks per bar, and you might get some discounts if you buy it from Amazon in bulk or Flipkart or social platforms. I generally buy it from Sebamed website itself. So this is what I had today to share with you about this beautiful product. If you really liked watching this video, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, share if you feel like, if you really liked watching it. Please go ahead, press the bell icon for notifications so that you get all the notifications about my upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Bye bye.